Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Callaway Golf Maverick Max Iron Set. The Callaway Golf Maverick Max Iron Set uses artificial intelligence. It results in a plethora of innovative features that will make this product a worthy candidate for the best golf iron sets for beginners. One of the most notable is the Flash Face Cup technology, which allows exceptional ball speed. The face architecture is unique in every loft to boost spin and speed after hitting the ball. For the first time, we're using artificial intelligence in an iron. We've created a sophisticated face architecture that's unique to every loft, so we can create a significant boost in ball speed and increase spin robustness off of every iron. The custom tungsten-infused weights in each iron allow us to locate the position of the CG in each iron with extraordinary precision while still maintaining ball speed in the Flash Face Cup. This promotes optimum launch and ball flight through the set, from strong lofts and player-preferred trajectory, spin rates, and land angles. Built for total distance with a larger body and a deeper CG for increased forgiveness and easy launch. For details, let's watch more. Number 2 in this best golf iron for beginners list is Callaway Golf Straight Complete Set. If you are looking for a budget option for beginners, then we highly recommend this golf iron set. The Callaway Golf Men's Straight Complete 12-piece package set comes with almost everything any beginner will need. The set comes with 4 irons, all of which have amazing construction. All the irons have a cavity-backed construction. There is extra steel that you will find in the outer rim of the club head. A lightweight 460cc forged golf driver that has a large sweet spot, a titanium head, and provides more forgiveness to help you hit it farther off the tee. This oversized 3-wood is very forgiving and has a more aerodynamic head shape for long, high-flying shots. A5 Hybrid is a great alternative to difficult long irons that gives you more confidence on a variety of shots. These stainless steel irons 6 to 9 irons, pitching wedge offer a great combination of forgiveness and control. A lightweight and durable stand bag that comes with 5 convenient pockets, an additional cooler pocket, a rain hood and a backpack strap system. Our third choice is Lazarus Premium Golf Iron Set. The best value for the money is the Lazarus Premium Irons. These cavity back irons provide a wide sole that easily moves through the turf to create crisp contact with the golf ball. I highly recommend these long irons for new golfers. The quality-price ratio is extremely high. This Lazarus Golf Iron Set is made in the same place as some of today's top golf iron sets for 1/4 the price. This individual golf 4 iron, 5 iron, 6 iron, 7 iron, 8 iron, 9 iron and pitching wedge make up this 7-piece golf set. Right-handed, stepped steel shaft, Regular flex with custom Lazarus grips. Deep grooves for great spin, control and consistency from the fairway, fringe or rough. Fourth pick in this best golf iron for beginners list is TaylorMade Max Irons. The TaylorMade Sim Max Irons is packed with the most innovative features that can improve the performance of any newbie. It provides the strategic support needed by the club's top line to make the distance more explosive. Explosive distance, enhanced feel and a sweet sound. A more refined speed bridge puts Sim Max a step above its predecessor. The echo damping system expands across the entire face from heel to toe, giving you forged-like feel in a distance iron. We engineered progressive inverted cone technology to optimize accuracy with each iron in the set. With a 17% thinner face than the previous class, Sim Max gives you more ball speed and forgiveness. Revolutionary speed bridge technology strategically supports the top line of the iron to unlock explosive distance and forgiveness with improved sound and feel. Designed with energy channeling geometry to quickly eliminate harsh vibrations at impact, delivering better feel without sacrificing face flexibility. Inverted cone technology is now uniquely positioned on each iron face to both increase the sweet spot and minimize side spin on mishits, promoting a straighter ball flight. Our fifth and last choice is Wilson Complete Golf Set. The iron is one of the highlights of this set of golf clubs. It is made of stainless steel, which is known for its durability. It also has a perimeter weighting, which will improve the position of the center of gravity to optimize the performance of high handicappers. Complete Golf Set includes premium components, advanced materials and the latest technologies. 460cc driver features large sweet spot and aerodynamic design to improve head speed and deliver greater distance. Deep, undercut stainless steel cavity back irons are precision engineered for longer, straighter shots. Lightweight, premium carry bag features adjustable shoulder straps, rugged handle top, numerous pockets and self-activating stand. Scoring clubs features very low weighting for better greenside control and improved shot making. For details, let's watch more.
The Wilson Profile SGI Men's Complete Golf Set features a unique custom fit system. This box set comes in standard and tall sizes for both right and left-handed players. The oversized driver features a large sweet spot for improved performance on off-center hits, while the irons feature very low center of gravity and a hot, thin face for superior accuracy and better distance. The Easy Launch Sand Wedge features a wide sole for better greenside control. A popular heel-toe weighted putter with a soft alignment grip provides superior feel and accuracy. The self-activating stand bag has a handle top, plenty of storage, and an adjustable airflow double shoulder strap. The set also includes premium material head covers with flannel lining and soft all-weather grips. The Profile SGI Men's Complete Set has everything you need to get your game started the right way.